Yo, I just got the first order. We are going to IHOP. This is $12 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I totally zoned out there, but that was like a 10-minute wait. Kind of long, but whatever. Oh wow, my car stinks of syrup. Do you guys say syrup or syrup? 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 What's this? 7-Eleven, $7 and some change going 1 mile. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna be ready because I can see the store from here and I'm sure they just got it. So I'll take my time starting my car up. Actually, no, I'm cold. Let's go. Nice. I think he finished it right as I was walking in. Let's see if I can guess correctly, because I'm pretty sure I've delivered to all 4 of these apartments. I don't remember which one is which. We're going to McDonald's. This one is $7 and some change, going just about 3 miles. Oh, what is this? Apparently, if I complete 3 orders before 8 o'clock, which it still is, I'll get an extra $4 from a quest on Uber. This is like the first time I've ever seen a quest. Should be able to do that, actually. Oh yeah, I just need to drop this one off in less than 25 minutes, which I'm like 5 minutes away according to the GPS. That's some free money. Gimme, gimme. Yes, I'm back here. They gave me another $7 order going less than a mile. And apparently the quest is extended. If I can complete this in less than 15 minutes, I get an extra $1 on top of it, which might be possible. Maybe if I don't lag it in the car. Let's go pick it up. Hello.
Is it ubereats?
Yeah, 30E. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, I've got 15 minutes to complete this and I'm 2 minutes away, but it's a meet at door, so they better be awake. Cool. I just made an extra 5 squid this hour just for being speedy. I like it. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Angel's Donuts and Victor Rico's. I believe the total is going to be $19 going about 9 miles.
Picking up the Uber order?
Yeah, for Dana.
Brother, that order just came in 2 minutes ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to wait or not. But
Yeah, I've got another order I'm going to do later on, so they're probably still making theirs as well.
Okay.
So I'm chilling. Yep.
How often does that happen?
Hmm?
That the thing already tells you to come pick it up right after, like it comes in.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I've got the next order lined up right after this. We are going to Jack in the Box for a $9 order going 3 miles. Thank you. Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Next order up, we're at Angel's. This is $9 and some change going 4 miles.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too. It's so ugly outside today. I'm surprised somebody actually ordered ice cream. Got this order as I was dropping off. This is IHOP, $10, going 6 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is for Seize the Bagel, $8, going 4.5 miles. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's going to be $10 and some change, going 2.5 miles. Yeah, for BAO, the one on the left.
Can I get this forward?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a day.
Just got the next order, and it's the first DoorDash order of the day, I just realized. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $8, going 1 mile, 1 item. And then just a scribble on that line for me. I just got the next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway, $16, going 6 miles, 3 items. I'm pretty far away from home, so I think I'm just gonna start heading over very slowly, just in case I get an order. If this is the last clip that you're seeing, I didn't get anything good enough. Current time is 11:06. Current total, we are at 113, and I have 2 Uber tips that I'm waiting on. From the looks of it, should get me close to, if not over, 130 for the day. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.